Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of inbound marketing and exploring why an analyst report can be a valuable asset during the attract stage of the inbound methodology. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, understanding the role of analyst reports in attracting potential customers is crucial. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. So let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly recap the attract stage of the inbound methodology. This is the first stage, where the main goal is to attract strangers and potential customers to your brand. Attracting the right audience is vital because it sets the foundation for building strong relationships with potential buyers. Analyst reports are an excellent tool for businesses during the attract stage. These reports are typically comprehensive, data-driven assessments of a specific industry, product, or service. They are created by independent research firms or analysts with deep expertise in the field. These reports provide valuable insights, trends, and market predictions that can help businesses understand their industry better. But who exactly needs an analyst report during the attract stage? If you're a business exploring new markets or industries, an analyst report can be your guiding light. It provides an unbiased view of the market, competitor analysis, and potential growth opportunities. Armed with this information, your marketing efforts become more targeted and efficient. You can focus on attracting the right audience and tailoring your message to meet their specific needs. Startups and small businesses often face resource constraints. Analyst reports can be particularly valuable in these situations. By leveraging the insights from analyst reports, these companies can make informed decisions without having to invest in extensive market research, saving time and money. For marketers in the attract stage, content creation is key. Analyst reports provide a wealth of data that can be used to create compelling and authoritative content. Blog posts, white papers, infographics, and social media content, backed by credible data from analyst reports, are more likely to attract and engage potential customers. During the attract stage, building trust and establishing authority in your industry is crucial. Analyst reports add credibility to your brand. When potential customers see that you base your claims and strategies on solid research, they are more likely to trust your brand and consider you a reliable source of information. That wraps up our discussion on why an analyst report is essential during the attract stage of the inbound methodology. Whether you're exploring new markets, a startup, or focused on content creation, these reports can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Remember, the attract stage sets the tone for your inbound marketing journey. Using analyst reports to make informed decisions will not only attract potential customers, but also position your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy marketing!